Hey guys, my name's Jeremiah and I have a window cleaning company here in Phoenix, Arizona. And I just wanted to give a little testimonial to the Sales and Marketing Supercourse from Sin Jim and how it's affected our business in the short few, month and a half that we've had the information from it. So when I bought the Sales and Marketing Supercourse, I was just looking for kind of a shortcut to learn, what's worked for guys, what hasn't. There's a lot of information on the forums and such that is just very opinionated, and the opinions are very different. So it was very nice to hear from people that have been very successful in the window cleaning and pressure cleaning industry, to hear what has worked for them and how they did it. It's a step-by-step guide. So we bought the Supercourse and I dug in for several days. Any downtime I had, I was absorbing the information from the Supercourse, and over the last month we really implemented a lot of that, and I'm happy to say that we have raised our prices 20% and still have a full schedule. So the little bit of money that the marketing course cost us is nothing compared to what we'll make. And I was just thinking about it. We did $120-some thousand in our first 12 months of business, and say we only did that again this year, just by raising our prices 20%. I mean, we're going to make an extra almost $25,000. Now, we have a lot bigger goals than that, but that's how I look at things. So the little investment for the marketing course is nothing compared to what it's going to make us over the next several years. And I haven't even learned all of the information in it yet. So I'm super excited to dig back into that. But if you guys haven't checked that out and you are struggling with marketing and sales, I really want to encourage you to check it out. It's definitely an investment that I'm happy I made, and it's cut that learning curve for us, because before I would just throw some money at this, get a mixed result. I'd go ask on a forum, hey, what's your results with this kind of marketing? And you get 20 different opinions. And the marketing course has got people that have done it. They've been there. They've built, $1 million service companies, and that's our goal. So that's who I really wanted to learn from. And I have to tell you that it's an amazing gold mine of information. And I just really want to encourage you guys to do yourself a favor, save yourself some headache and a lot of lost money, and go out and get the Sales and Marketing Supercourse. It's awesome. If you have any questions about it, feel free to shoot me a message on Facebook, and I'd be happy to chat with you about our experience with it.